I don't know if you noticed, guys, but I'm now driving a Miata on Driftweek 3. Alright, we're almost to the track. I'm having a good time driving through some twisties, getting some video.
I feel like I'm driving right now.
Yeah, look. This is how you do it right here. I hear drifting over there. I hear it. I hear it. Nice.
It's gonna go a whole lot better at the end of the day.
Oh, yeah.
Because I always feel bad touching the handbrake. But if I see my buddy Brian handbrake, then I feel a little bit better about doing it myself. And my name is Wout Jong from Amsterdam, the Netherlands. Instagram is follow Drift Jesus, because I had much more beard before, so a lot of people call me Drift Jesus. I'm a little bit bummed that you're not driving right now, but I'm super happy to see you again. So
Oh
super
yeah,
happy
it's
with
good
that.
seeing you, dude. What's up, TK? Did you have fun, buddy?
Up my drifting cherry, and it was a lot of fun.
Did you do it again?
I would do that non-stop, all day, all the time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Baymax FPV.
Coming out
with the man himself. Right here, dude.
Yeah, there's a volcano, there's a track, there's weed, it's sick. And we got drones too. Media crew, this is what it's like being out in the middle of the track, you know. Jerry, shout it out.
What's going on?
That's it?
Instagram. As trained as you are.
Don't forget to check out Rudy Hansen 109, Instagram, and Rudy Hansen YouTube. Train behind us.
That was good.
weekend party out here, guys. Definitely check out Driftweek 3 and everybody involved. Lone Star Drift, all the drivers, all the media. There's a lot out there. Come say hi.
Go for 100. Before I go into that, and every time like someone's just gonna cream me.
Oh no, I shut it down kind of in that area too.
What's up? You got a passenger or what? Me? Yeah. You can come out if you want. Hell yeah. I'll probably only gonna get one more out of these. I don't care, one's fine. Doge holder over here. No. I think there's enough idiots out there buying it that I play the trends. Pump and dump. So I thought I sold at 9 cents, but I think like during that moment, somebody messaged me and I needed to do something. I didn't actually sell. Nice. So when it hit 420 the other day, I was like, oh damn, like I got a notification that I have a stop sell I'm about to approach. I was like, oh, I sold, I don't have any of it anymore. And I go in, I'm like, I still have it all! Sick. It was like 5 grand, dude. Nice. Hell yeah. Made on accident. Yeah. That's the best money I've ever made in my life. off the worst crypto. Take some of that profit and slip it into the best crypto. I sold all of it though, and I'm pushing it into other things. Yeah. What a dick! I'm like, stay on the track. He's driving like a maniac. Going for 100 mile an hour. Said about 93. I know, the 100's not happening, not in this car. Guys, check out Chelsea Denofus' YouTube channel. He's posting almost every day these days, all right? Sweet. Thank you. Yeah, man. No sweat, dude. Have a good one. Yeah, you too, dude. Welcome. The track where we at again? Affinity Circuit. What's it called again? Drift, whatever. Drift. What are they calling it again? Your ass is running around with that thing. Yeah, buddy. So you gotta shout it out like your Instagram. Oh, Nick Zabak. Nick Zabak. Got it. Control arm, body looks fine.
guys out on track, drifting in the background.